Namaste. Welcome to the Snow Globe Meditation. We all have thoughts that can sometimes be quite distracting. This meditation will allow us to just detach from those thoughts and learn to let them be without pushing them away, denying their existence, and being aware of the thoughts without allowing them to completely control us. So I'd like to invite you to make yourself comfortable. You can be seated or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a second to observe the energy in your mind and your body. You may notice this energy from your day resting in your mind and body. So if you've been active, your body and your mind might feel very worked up, or you might feel a little bit of anxiety. Taking a few seconds to just identify your state of mind, making a note of it. And now I'd like to invite you to visualize a snow globe and take a second to remember when you shake a snow globe, what happens? All the energy swirls around within the snow globe, and slowly, when you place the snow globe down, the snowflakes fall gently to the ground. Now I'd like to invite you to imagine yourself as a snow globe, and that each snowflake is a thought. And you're watching as each snowflake gently drifts to the ground. These are your thoughts settling. I'd like to now invite you to take 3 deep breaths in through your nostrils and exhale out from your mouth, so that we switch from your sympathetic nervous system to the parasympathetic nervous system. Whenever you're ready, inhale deeply and exhale out slowly from your mouth. Resume your natural breath. And then bring your attention to the breath within your body. Choose one spot where you can really feel your breath. So it may be in the center of your chest, your abdomen, the shoulders, or the nostrils. And observe the physical sensation of your body breathing. Whenever you feel like your mind wanders off, gently bring it back to the focus on your breathing. Keeping the snow globe visualization at the front of your mind so that when thoughts begin to rise, just notice them settling back down slowly. I'd like to now invite you to open your awareness to include your thoughts and your general state of mind. So this time, instead of returning to the breath when your mind wanders, notice where the mind is going. You might notice that the mind is planning, dreaming, trying to find a solution to either an issue or a problem, or delving into the past, recalling experiences. Wherever your mind is, just allow it to be. Observe that when you recognize a thought, what happens? Try not to encourage the thought by interacting with it, but avoid pushing it away either. So allow the thoughts to just pass through your mind. And notice as you observe the thought passing, it follows a natural trajectory and then just leaves the mind. And I'd like to invite you to return your attention to your breath and patiently wait until another thought arises. Notice it, watch the thought, and then return your awareness back to your breath. Notice when you're lost in thought or when the mind wanders for any length of time, whether any kind of self-judgment arises. And notice that just as you would any other thought. You can always return to the breath for a few minutes to ground yourself. And in this way, over time, we'll be successful in allowing the thoughts to just be. Namaste.